Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at what if I want to buy some shares of PLTR after their latest earnings, which they crushed and is up tremendously today. How you can make money by offering to buy shares of PLTR, and then also my new favorite stock to sell options on. Maybe it's my new favorite. We'll see. Before we get started, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. That way you can follow along, and I've been documenting me selling options for some extra income. And if that sounds cool, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future. Now today, Palantir is up 23%. And this was due to their earnings call yesterday, and people were blown away by the results. I've never owned Palantir. I am aware of it. I just never really got into the stock. That's not to say that the stock is bad. I just personally have never bought it. But I know some people now might be interested in purchasing Palantir because they seem to be a major player in the AI space. And so I wanted to share how you can make money offering to purchase shares and potentially get those shares at a better price than their going rate. And that is by selling a put. In real high level, if you don't already know, selling a put is just basically you getting paid to assure someone that you will buy their shares if the stock goes below a certain amount. And so what I mean by that, if we go on Robinhood here and we go to trade the Palantir options and we go to sell a put, if I sell this $100 put, I'm going to be paid around $180. And come Friday evening, if the price of Palantir is below 100, I have to buy 100 shares. And then if it stays above 100, then this $180 is still in my pocket. Right when I sell this put, I get that instantly, and I'm not forced to buy 100 shares. And this put expires what's called worthless. And this is something I do with stocks that I love to own and companies that I love to own. I sell puts on them because it allows me to purchase them and also make money, declaring that I'm willing to purchase if it falls below a certain price. It might be a good analogy, it might not be, but let me use it anyway. It's like me saying I love Cheez-Its, and if a box of Cheez-Its goes below $2 a box, I'm willing to buy a box for $2. And because of me saying that, someone is going to pay me in case Cheez-Its does go below $2 a box, and if it does, then they might sell their box of Cheez-Its to me for $2. By a certain date. I don't know how good that analogy is. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're confused and you want to learn more about selling options and generating income that way, this is something I've been doing for some time now, and I've been documenting on this YouTube channel. I have a course for beginners if you want to learn everything there is that you need to get started selling options. It'll be linked down below. It's currently 25% off, and thank you for even considering it. And I also mentioned I may have a new favorite stock that I've been selling options on. And it's not really a stock, it's actually an ETF, and I made 2 trades on this ETF today, and that is the SPY. I ended up rolling down a call that I sold because I previously sold a call on the SPY for $607 that expired today, and it's nowhere near that, so I rolled it down to $603 and made an extra $58 in premium doing that. And then I also, as the day progressed, rolled that put up to $604 strike for tomorrow, making another $93 in premium. So just from today, these 2 trades, $151 selling covered calls on the SPY. This might be my new favorite stock, especially as volatile as the market's been lately. It's great to sell options on companies because people are willing to pay more because of the volatility. And I don't really want to sell my 100 shares of the SPY, so let's say tomorrow it does get near 604, go above 604, then I'm just going to roll that in expiration and maybe in strike price as well, and that way I'm not forced to sell my shares, at least yet. Let me know what you guys are selling options on. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope to see you in a future video.